the team at Discover Organizing is going to be starting their first day of filming a Hoarders episode. I am looking forward to helping this client the most, and I think that's what the team is excited about doing, is having a chance to really make a difference and show what compassionate professional organizers actually do. Well, it's the end of day one of the shoot of Hoarders. A couple of things I just want to say, that I cannot believe how enjoyable my client was to work with. The best part of today was just having some moments with her alone, and that the team and I had some quality time with her to go over decision making and just talking a little bit about who she was as a person and her history, and just getting to know her in general today. Okay, so it's we're going into day 3 this morning for the Hoarder show, and I have to say, yesterday really energized me. It was day 2. I feel like we made a breakthrough with the client in terms of coming up with rules that will help her make decisions going forward. Dr. Tolan talks about behavior change as a major focus of the efforts that we have with her this week, and I know 4 days isn't a very realistic way of looking at behavior change, but I'm hoping that with some of the rules that we created, that will help ease some of the decisions that she has to make about her many possessions. The house is very full, and with the things gone, there is a lot of dirt. We sifted and sorted through a lot of things yesterday, and again, I just feel like some breakthroughs were made in terms of her rules about what was important to her and what could be kept versus not, period. That was a big one.